Vacuum sealing is the gold standard for extending food freshness, preventing freezer burn, and preparing foods for sous vide cooking. In 2026, the market is split between heavy-duty external sealers and professional-grade chamber models, each offering unique advantages for home cooks and commercial users alike. Here's the definitive list of the best vacuum sealers available. The Commercial Kitchen Powerhouse, unmatched sealing width and continuous, high-volume performance. The Weston Pro 2300 is designed for serious hunters, bulk shoppers, and commercial kitchens that demand non-stop performance. Its massive 935 watts of power and fan-cooled motor mean it can run continuously without overheating. Unlike smaller home models, the standout feature is the extra-wide 5mm sealing bar, which creates a thick double seal that is virtually indestructible and can accommodate bags up to 16 inches wide, perfect for large cuts of meat or entire racks of ribs. This external sealer provides the highest level of consistent pressure and sealing integrity for professional-grade preservation. Total versatility and convenience, the streamlined solution for both dry and moist food preservation. The FoodSaver Elite is built for the modern, busy home kitchen, prioritizing user convenience and smart design. This all-in-one model is engineered to handle a variety of preservation tasks, from delicate produce to heavy meats. Its revolutionary Liquid Plus feature is key. It intelligently manages excess moisture or marinades during the sealing process, preventing liquids from being drawn into the vacuum motor, which is a common failure point in standard external sealers. It also includes an integrated roll storage and cutter, streamlining the process from start to finish. Compact, fast, and feature-rich, the ideal high-efficiency vacuum sealer for the everyday cook. The Nesco Deluxe VEVOR S12 delivers exceptional sealing performance in a surprisingly compact package. At 130 watts, it provides robust suction for quick sealing cycles. Its key differentiator is the viewing lid, which allows you to precisely align the bag before sealing, eliminating wasted bag material and ensuring a perfect seal every time. It features multiple settings for dry and moist foods and includes a cutter and starter bag kit, making it an excellent feature-packed unit for mid-volume home use without taking up excessive countertop space. The Professional Game Changer, chamber sealing technology perfect for wet foods, liquids, and marinades. The VEVOR introduces professional chamber vacuum sealer technology to the home and small commercial kitchen. Unlike external sealers, which struggle with liquids, the chamber sealer pulls the air out of the entire chamber, including the bag, allowing you to perfectly seal soups, sauces, marinating meats, and high liquid foods without any risk of motor damage or inconsistent sealing. With 320 watts of sealing power and a 12.6-inch sealing length, this compact unit offers the absolute best in long-term preservation and is the tool of choice for serious sous vide enthusiasts. Simplicity and safety, fully automatic operation for consistent, lab-tested food preservation. The NutriChef system is designed for maximum ease of use. It features automatic vacuum air sealing, meaning you simply insert the bag and close the lid, letting the machine handle the rest, ideal for first-time users. It offers both dry and moist food modes, easily selected via LED indicator lights, ensuring the correct vacuum pressure is applied whether you are sealing nuts or pre-cooked chicken. Its compact design and lab-tested safety standards make it a reliable and foolproof option for beginners looking to start preserving food immediately. That's your lineup for the best vacuum sealers of 2026. Whether you need the absolute liquid preservation power of the VEVOR Chamber Sealer, the continuous work rate of the Weston Pro, or the convenient versatility of the FoodSaver, there's a perfect sealer here for your kitchen needs. All the direct links and detailed specifications for these preservation tools are waiting for you in the description box below. Go on, lock in that freshness.